Songkran, Songkran, a time to start anew. May you prosper and all your dreams come true.
Songkran, see you mate, have a great day. Right, we've made it to the beach. It's absolutely going to be make sure we're all secure. Got our phones, we're wrapped up. This is where there's serious amounts of passing water. They reckon over 100,000 people here today. They've closed Beach Road off. So let's have a wander around. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's Songkran 2025 in Pattaya for you. The 1,000 saints of the streets all day, and we end up where we started around 4 or 5 hours ago in Tree Town in the foam. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Happy Songkran 2025.